Check if the following equipment is complete. Remove the sponge and fix the arm. Unfold the propeller. Make sure all arms are fixed and all propellers are unfolded. Disconnect the hose from the water tank. Press down on the metal head and then pull out. Disconnect another side of the hose from the nozzle. Connect the high-pressure hose from the pressure pump to the nozzle. Long press to turn on the remote controller. Put and fix the battery, then connect the battery. Wait until the rear light turns to green. Properly connect the pressure pump battery to the inverter. Ensure the correct polarity. Connect the pressure pump to the inverter. Turn on the switch until the voltage stabilizes at 220 volts in the top right corner. Connect to the water source and turn on the pressure pump. Until the water pump can produce a steady high-pressure water stream. Push the joystick inward to unlock the drone. Operate the drone to fly to the location that needs cleaning. Keep your fingers on the joystick until the drone reaches the designated position. Push down the joystick in the top right corner to turn on the nozzle.